Gone are the days of pulling the handbrake because the Mahindra XUV700 makes your life easier with the electronic parking brake (EPB). You can engage the parking brake manually by pulling the EPB switch on the center console. The light on the switch will glow as soon as the EPB is engaged. To disengage the EPB, you will have to switch on the car and press the brake pedal. Push the EPB switch and the unilluminated light will denote that the parking brake has been released. In case of an automatic, there are instances when the EPB is automatically engaged and disengaged when you put the car into park. EPB gets engaged automatically if the car has auto hold function on and if the door is opened or the seat belt unbuckled. EPB gets engaged also if auto hold is on for more than 5 minutes or when you disengage auto hold while stationary, EPB gets engaged. Lastly, when you close the door, fasten your seat belt switch on the car, shift the gear lever to one of the D or M positions and press the accelerator. The electric parking brake will release on its own.